Hello friends, Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. ओलंपियाड क्वेश्चन लेके आ रही हूँ। ओलंपियाड में कुछ पूछा जाता है, रेशियल ओलंपियाड होते हैं, जापानीज ओलंपियाड होते हैं। ये मैं ओलंपियाड वाला जो पढ़ रही हूँ रेशियल वाला है। इसके अंदर क्या है, एक रेक्टेंगल है। ये क्वेश्चंस उन लोगों के लिए है जो मैथ्स लेवल है, जो मैथ्स में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं। ओलंपियाड क्या है, IQ बढ़ाइए, क्वेश्चन कीजिए। दिस रेक्टेंगल, एक रेक्टेंगल है। ABCD is the name of this site. Okay. This is the midpoint E of side CB. The angle made by this point with A is equal to theta. This is theta. This side will be equal to this side because it is a midpoint of CB. The length of this AE is 5 cm given to us. AE is given to us 5 cm and EB is equal to EC. This is given to us. Okay. Another line is also here. The angle theta is another theta angle at the point in such a way that this is also angle theta. This is also theta. The length of this is 6 cm. This point suppose S. To find the area of rectangle. चतुर्भुज का रेक्टेंगल समकोणिक चतुर्भुज है। इसके ABCD एक समकोणिक चतुर्भुज है। CB का आधा पॉइंट मिड पॉइंट E है। AE को मिलाते हैं थीटा डिग्री बनता है और इसी के ऊपर थीटा डिग्री बनाते हैं तो वो F पॉइंट पे ज्वाइन करता है। ये भी एंगल थीटा है। ये वाली लंबाई 5 सेंटीमीटर, ये वाली लंबाई 6 सेंटीमीटर है। एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल निकालना, एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल निकालना है। सपोज दिस लेंथ इज X and this length is Y. So area will be equal to X into Y, because this we have supposed X and this is Y. Okay, if this is X, this will be also X क्योंकि ये rectangle है. It means EB will be X by 2 is equal to X by 2. EB और EC X by 2 हो गया, ये X by 2 हो गया और ये भी X by 2 हो गया. Clear? Now X or Y is to be determined. Our object is only to determine the value of X and Y with the help of this figure. AEB is a rectangle triangle in which B is 90 degree. Triangle ABE angle B is 90 degree. So, and AE is the diagonal. Sine of theta from this triangle can be written as perpendicular upon base. EB or perpendicular upon hypotenuse. EB upon AE, that is X by 2 into 5. That is x by 10 is equal to sine of theta. 1. Cos theta निकालते हैं. Same cos theta. This can be written as base upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AE. AB is equal to y upon AE is equal to 5. That is cos theta. That is number cos theta. Number 2. Okay. Now see, because DF is parallel to AB, DF or DC, they are parallel to AB, and FA is cutting to each other. DC can be seen. DC is parallel to AB and FA is cutting them. These two parallel lines are cutting by FA. It means this whole angle will be equal to this angle. Okay? FA is cutting them. It means इसका मतलब हुआ angle DFA will be equal to angle DFA will be equal to angle BAF. That is 2 theta. It means because theta plus theta, this will be equal to 2 theta. This angle will become equal to 2 theta. Now, sine of 2 theta. This will be equal to perpendicular, because this is 90-degree angle, rectangle angle, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to dA upon AF. dA upon AF. dA is equal to x. AF is equal to a 6. This is sine 2 theta. And sine theta, 2 theta as per the trigonometry can also be written as 2 sine theta into cos of theta. That is equal to x by 6. Now sine theta from 1 and 2 we can put here. Sine theta is a 2 into sine theta value of is equal to x by 10. X by 10 into cos theta is equal to y by 5 is equal to x by 6. X get cancelled. We will get here 2. 2 also get cancelled from here. 5. It means x will get cancelled here from here. It means we are getting y upon 25 is equal to 1 upon 6. Y upon 25 is equal to 1 upon 6. It means y is equal to 25 by 6. This is very important for us because x and y will be the area of the rectangle. Now question is only to find the value of x. How can we find x? In triangle AEB, in triangle AEB, what we have? This square AE square, this will be equal to AB square plus BE square. That is AE. AE is equal to y. It means y square will be equal to AB. AE is equal to, sorry, 25. AE is equal to 25 square. It means 25 is equal to AE is equal to 5. It means AE square means 5 square is equal to y square plus x by 2 square. Where y is equal to y by 25. It means y square by 25 square sorry, y is equal to this 25 by 6. It means 25 is equal to 25 by 6 square plus x square by 4. Okay? It means 25 square by 6 is equal to x plus by 4. Okay. It means 25 is equal to 25 into 25 upon 36 is plus x square by 4. It means 36 into 25 upon this can be written as 25 into 36 minus 25 into 25 upon 36 is equal to x square by 4. 25 can be taken as a common one. Please come here. 25 can be taken as a common one. Then we'll get 25 into 36 minus 25 upon 36 is equal to x square by 4. 4 can be cancelled over here, that will become 9. It means 25 upon 9 into 11 is equal to x square. It means x is equal to 5 upon 3 root 11. Five root 3 into 11 is equal to x. This is the value of x. 5 by 3 root 11. Now area is equal to, area will be equal to x into y, that is 5 root upon 3 root 11 into this value 25 upon 6. 5, that is 125 upon 18 into root of 11. This is the answer. This is the answer. Area is equal to 125 upon 18 root of 11. This is the answer. Okay? Clear? A competitive question is this. IQ लेवल को बढ़ाता है, करने में मजा आता है, इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, ओलंपियाड में आता है, रशियन ओलंपियाड का क्वेश्चन है ये, जापानीज ओलंपियाड के भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, ये मैंने वहीं से लिया है, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, IQ बढ़ाइए, एंजॉय कीजिए, मेरे टच में रहिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. ओके, सी यू, गुड नाइट.